Forget that storm.
No, no one will forget that one.
There's no way.
No.
I remember waking up and seeing the Vine Street, the Schuylkill, everything just flooded.
Yeah, and it was almost after the storm because it takes a while for that water to run down the river, and all of a sudden you just couldn't go anywhere. It was crazy.
Yep.
Well,
we
thankfully we're not talking about hurricanes today.
Right. Yes.
But we do have severe storms to talk about. So let's get to it. You said 6:40 for first pitch of the Phillies game. Yep. That could be a little dicey.
Okay.
I think storms are going to fire up right around that.
All right.
time.
I think the Union are playing tonight as well. So,
okay, so
yeah.
It's going to be an eye to the sky
Yes.
kind of night for everyone. Let's take a look outside right now, and you can see the clouds are still hanging on in Plymouth Meeting. We're starting to see some breaks of sun here and there. I think we will see some more before the actual storms make it into our area, which likely will not be until after about 5 o'clock. So you can see as we look live from the Place One Apartments there, we do have some clouds, but starting to see some sunny breaks, and even down the shore we had rain this morning. It's not the nicest beach day, but people are making the most of it. The beach is packed here. You can see a lot of people out there enjoying some drier weather than what we had yesterday. A bit cloudy, but it is dry for now. And you can see as we take a look at our radar and satellite composite, this is visible satellite, which really shows a good higher resolution imagery of the clouds out there right now. There are some breaks, especially just south and east of the city, Camden and Gloucester counties. You may be seeing some filtered sun right now. A few showers off to the north, and those are staying north. But the big picture, this line of storms, which you can see just in the past hour or so, has really started to fire up. And as we go through the afternoon, this line of storms will continue to progress eastward and just get stronger and stronger as it does so. So already a couple of tornado watches have been issued with this line from portions of West Virginia back into Ohio, Kentucky, and southern Virginia. These tornado watches, I think, will continue to extend eastward because the area in the greatest risk for severe weather today is where you see this red shaded area. That includes D.C., that includes much of Virginia and West Virginia. D.C. has not had a moderate risk. That's a level 4 out of 5 in about a decade. Neither have we in Philadelphia. Our last moderate risk, our level 4, was back in 2012. We're close. We're in the enhanced risk today where you see the orange here. That is a level 3 out of 5. So the greatest threat is just off to the south and west. That's also where the tornado threat is maximized. But we are still very, very close to that zone. So where you see the yellow here, that's where there's a 10% chance that any severe storm could spawn a tornado. We are in the 5% risk here in Philadelphia. The greatest risk appears to be damaging straight line winds capable of bringing down tree branches or even large trees into homes and power outages. Some of the biggest threats that could impact folks not only here, but right on down through portions of the Mid-Atlantic region today. So the greatest risk for us is between 5 and 10 p.m. Damaging winds, heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding, and of course there is that tornado threat, which is a little higher than we normally see. So try to stay off the roads if you can between 5 and 10 and have a safety plan. Know where your safe space is, know where you're going to go if a tornado warning is issued, and out ahead of these storms, you have a lot of lead time on this, so you can get outside and maybe close those patio umbrellas, put things away, get everything situated, charge the devices, because if the storms come through and you have to kind of hunker down for a bit, that's something you'll want to do ahead of time. Here's 6 o'clock, first line of storms coming through, then a stronger line right here, 8:30, 9 o'clock, damaging wind, hail, and the threat for embedded tornadoes within that line. It will clear the coast after about 11 tonight. Meteorologists Bill Kelly and Andrew Kozak will have team coverage all night long, timing the severe threat. We are a little brighter tomorrow with just a stray shower. Your pick of the week is Wednesday. Another shower or storm chance on Thursday. Howard, I'll send it back to you.
All right. Thank you, Kate.